55 pence. Well, I look at politics.ie.
That's quite news-related, isn't it?
Yes, I suppose so. No, I don't really have I'm on the road so long, I don't really have that much time. So I'm just, truthfully, I find myself, when I'm late at home, I watched, so maybe I watch soaps the odd time.
Any particular one?
No, I've lost the storyline in all of them now. I did watch Fair City and Ross na Roon. Well, I suppose the last full-length one I attended was in Kilkenny, where it was Agnes Opel, but I was also, I'm just remembering later, I was at Young European Strings in Naas, which is wonderful. And I have to say, I had an impromptu session yesterday with my friend Leo from the Saw Doctors in Keys in Galway.
Did you sing?
No, Leo's a former student of mine, and Leo and some of his friends on ukulele gave us a fine little session. Yeah. No.
Stephen Harper, the Prime Minister of
Canada, yeah. Well, I thought it was because, but I didn't recognise the image. His little badge. Yeah. Oh yes, that's our rugby star himself. Yeah. No. Oh yes. No, I don't. Oh yes, this is the president of Liberia. And, no, this is the three women who have been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize, and I've met two of them. Well, I would like to it's a matter of who would come. I'm very much interested in Norway, for example. I thought that Norway gave a very powerful example when it replied to the appalling murder of youngsters in an island, and it said, this is not going to force us to be more repressive or less free. We're going to be more open. So I have a number of friends in the Norwegian cabinet, including the wonderful woman who was due to have spoken there the following day. She presented me with the MacBride Peace Prize in 1991. So she would probably be my first person. But there are others. There are many people in Africa that are really trying against the grain to put new systems in place. Well, I think that without a doubt, the most important is the Article 12, where, as far as the presidency is concerned, because you make a commitment to the welfare and protection, to the welfare of the people of Ireland, all of them, including those who are young and those who are too old to vote. It's very important. What it says is that I dedicate my capacities to the welfare of the people of Ireland. Malán Hiliana ver son las agus fóniv muinter na haireann. It's a very powerful obligation. I think experience, I think judgment, I think sensitivity to vulnerability, I think commitment to a wide range of experience, and openness. Those are important. No, I don't think I would be right to make that kind of comment, because all six have put in a great effort. I have the greatest respect for them. The long journey they've taken, the interviews they've given, and some of them have taken quite a pasting as well in relation to matters that are not really presidential. No, I respect them all. Well, it's not based on pragmatism at all. And I think I heard another unfair question yesterday addressed to another candidate. David Norris was asked, would he have a partner in the Áras? I thought that an unfair question. I think that equally a question addressed to me in terms of age really should be about stamina. The question should be, have you the stamina to be a really active president? And the answer is unequivocally yes. I've done more things than most deputies in the last 30 years because I have always been addressing meetings all over Ireland in addition to being in the Dáil. I have a long human rights record. I've been in the middle of the famine in Somalia. I've reported on massacres in South America. As late as last September, I was in Colombia looking at villages where youngsters were being kidnapped for the narco gangs. I have boundless energy, and it will be a great 7 years, but I'm only doing one term. This 7 years is totally dedicated to the people of Ireland because I love Ireland, and I love Irish people, and also I'm absolutely convinced of the capacities that are there. So I just want to be inspirational and inclusive at home, and I want to restore and enhance Ireland's reputation abroad. And I have many, many networks and building blocks already in place to do that abroad through my human rights work.